Hello, in this video we will see how we will add like drag and drop functionality into VirtualBox. So you can see we have this VirtualBox. Now for that we need to add our like guest images. So I click on that and it will add it. Wait for a few seconds. Let the CD to load. Okay, it's you can see CD is mounted now. Here it's open in the file manager, or you can do is go to like files. Okay, and then you can see we have a VBox get disk image. Okay, just let me see where is that. Okay, here it is. You can see we have this guys disk image, and this we need to install in the system in order to enable that functionality. You can see we have bunch of files here, and for the specific version, first we need to open this in terminal first, right? Let's open this in terminal. Okay, here it opened in the terminal. Now we will type sudo and then we will try to run the auto run sh. Okay, I will put password. Okay, you can unable to start installation process with elevated privileges. Okay, so it's saying that we have to run that VBox Linux run image manually. Let's search for that. Where is that file? Okay, okay, we got that. VBox Linux, it's in the same directory, so we will type again the list. We have to see the lists. Okay, we got that file. Now we need to run it. We will just use this dot and then slash the name of that run file to run it probably. But okay, just VBox, it's not taking. I don't know why. VBox, okay, it's not taking it. Hmm, I think we need to enable the execution first. Let's try using sudo and then name of the file. Okay, now as I enter, you can see here is bunch of options. Okay, now again to complete the file name, then press enter, and you can see we have only read only files to permission. Okay, that's okay. Oh, we need to run the file only. Just run the file. Okay, just run it, and the process run with administrative privileges. Okay, we need to run it with sudo. Just add sudo at the beginning, and we type sudo. Okay, and here it's installing now. We will wait for a few minutes to let it finish. Okay, it's doing its thing. Okay, we got something on the screen. Okay, let's check that. Okay, it's saying that installation is completed and we need to restart the system in order to just process the changes. Let's write reboot and it will just restart or reboot the system. We will wait for a few seconds to just reboot our virtual box. Okay, it's restarting. Now as it restarted, it's asking me for the password. Let's enter our password. So MINT Mint is our operating system and Mint is our password too. And we will just start it. Okay, it's started. Okay, its connection is forbidden. That's completely fine. Now we have our system. Yes, let's check if it supports copy and paste from our main system. Okay, so for that I need some files, and let's select some random file from our previous CDs. Here we have some of the files. We have our ns3 modules and various videos, recorded videos. We will just try to copy that inside our search system. Before that we need to enable our drag and drop. We go to devices and enable, we host a system to our guest system, our linux system, which is inside the virtualbox is our system for our guest, and host system is our windows system. So we just enabled those host to guest or bidirectional things. We will try to copy and it's giving us the copy option, and here it's done. So it's really working. We have 41 megabyte here, and here we have also 41 megabyte, means the storage is similar. We have successfully copied our files, and that's all for this video. And the sole purpose of this video is thing, you can just copy everything in the desktop, and after that okay, we don't need this file, so you can delete it, and we will paste whatever the file we have copied in the desktop. We can now paste it inside our computer or disks. So here is the example, and we don't want into from to delete from the trash also. Don't need this files, right? So we have already used this disk image. We don't want it anymore. So we have our documents. Where is that? Okay, inside downloads. Okay, in the downloads we have successfully covered our ns3, and the next videos we will just try to build this things, right? So here it's done. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you like and subscribe.